Let me show you how to make apple crisp bread. This recipe is gluten-free, vegan, and allergen-friendly. Making homemade chunky applesauce is highly recommended for this recipe. All you need is 5 ingredients. Toss everything in a pot, cook until soft, and that's about 15 minutes, and give it a rough mash to keep it chunky. Now let's make the apple crisp bread. Before you start, go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. To a large mixing bowl, combine the vegan butter, coconut sugar, flaxseed meal, chunky applesauce, plant milk, and mix until well combined. To the same bowl, sift the dry ingredients, adding the quick cooking oats last. Mix until all the dry ingredients are well incorporated. The final mixture will be thick, and that's okay. If you enjoy videos like this one, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more. The next step is to transfer the mixture to your parchment-lined bread pan. This recipe includes a crumble topping. Once it's ready, add the mixture over top of the bread. Spread it around gently without packing it. Bake at 350 degrees for about 40 minutes. Cool the bread in the pan for 10 minutes, then transfer it to a wire rack to finish cooling. And don't forget to remove the parchment paper. Now, the fun part. Once cooled, drizzle with some quick-to-make maple and pure vanilla glaze. The icing is optional, but really good. You can drizzle a little or keep on going until well covered. This part is up to you, so have fun with it. A good tip is to decorate it right before serving. If you have pure vanilla bean powder, use it in this drizzle. The apple crisp bread is moist and best enjoyed on the same day, and leftovers are better warmed up. The chunky applesauce is great in this bread. It adds moisture and amazing flavor. Lastly, if you took time to vote for me in the Greatest Baker competition, thank you so much. I'm happy to announce that I've made it to round 2, and I need to be in the top 5 to get to round 3. So please continue voting once per day until November 12th. The link to vote will be in the video description. All you need is a valid Facebook account to vote.